All right, well, who is ready to burn and stain some wood? Yes, that's right. Based on the input of y'all, also the family, some other folks, we've decided on the final look for the wood here. We are going to burn it, and we're going to go with the cherry wood finish. So that'll be the look. Follow along as we make it happen. All right, there's the after effect. Went okay. Obviously had the heat turned up too high when I first started, and this part over here kind of got a little crunchified. It's also a bit uneven, so like you see, heavy, light, so I may go back over this one again. Interesting, how the patterns just come out, and of course they're different from each board. It's like this one's got the very nice, almost wave-like whorls in it. And then the one next to it is pretty much just kind of like straight up and down. That pattern like there is really amazing. That pattern is pretty cool. So yeah, I think I may go over this just a little bit once more, but overall pretty happy. Then it's time to stain. All right, feast your eyes. That is post stain. And I gotta say, that is looking gorgeous. Gorgeous. Interesting, you can see the different patterns in the wood. Over here, like this one's got a very sort of like almost chaotic pattern up and down. Some are very straight with whorls. This one's pretty straight. This particular plank right here has got to be the winner. It's just got beautiful whorls in it. All of them on this side are really good. Let's see if I get our numbers here. So that's number 4, 2, and I think this one is 5 and 7. So that's basically all of the middle planks. Plus 6 was over here somewhere. There's 1, there's 6 over there. This is the one here. This is the first one I did, which you can see is distinctly darker because I just had that propane tank. The propane torch just turned up too high. I did sand it down a bit to kind of take it down a bit, but you can see it's definitely going to be the darkest one. But that's okay. I believe that is actually number 1. No, number 8. So that'll be on the far right side. All right. So we're going to let this dry overnight, and tomorrow, varnish. All right, I didn't show all that, but I did 4 coats on the top side and then on the sides, and I'm just going to do probably just 1 or 2 coats here on the bottom to help protect it. Fortunately, with the Cadillac gone, the truck now lives inside, so not as much of a concern about it being out in the elements all the time. So yeah, hoping this is going to do the job. So I think that's going to be it for this video, and if I've got it right, our next video is going to be our last video on the bed project. I think it might just be. I know It's been a long process. Some people have clearly lost patience with it based on the audience numbers for these videos, but I've enjoyed it. Hope you've enjoyed it, and hopefully the next time we will see this, we'll be putting this bed together finally. Thanks for watching. Please hit that subscribe button. We really do appreciate it.